There's nothing worse than when the alarm goes off and you realize you've went back to sleep and oh my God, it was a snooze and not the first alarm, and now you're late for work and you have very little time to get ready and get out the door. That's the day that you just don't have time to get in the shower and, you know, you can get in the shower, but you don't have time to wet your hair, condition it, let it towel dry in your wrap and put product in and use the diffuser to get it dry. You just don't have time for all that. So this is what I do when I have a day like that and I gotta get out the door. Technically, this is my second day curl routine. So I watch all these videos on second day curls and I never understand it because my hair is different. So I know I could never do what a lot of people do, which is a spray bottle. I don't even own a spray bottle to fill with water because I know that a lot of curly hair people do, but I could never do that. Like if I sprayed my hair with a mist of water, my hair would turn into a big frizz ball, and that's the last thing I want. Like that's like going in the rain. Like no, like So I don't understand that concept. If it works for them, maybe they have different hair than I do. Like you could see, this is second day curl. I did not. I slept on it. All my curls kind of like fell out. My hair's messy. My hair's really messy, and I just want to get some curls in there and have a second day curl. So you could see it's frizzy on top. You know, it's a mess. So I have just enough time to get some makeup on, get an outfit on, and quickly do my hair. I don't have a lot of time to do my hair. And I just don't get the whole second day curl routine where people are literally drenching their hair with a spray bottle to the point where it's like soaking wet, and then taking a bunch of product and putting it in their hair. I mean, your hair is soaking wet at this point, and then they're drying it or air drying it, but I don't know, like, why is that second day curl? Just at this point, just go in the shower and wet your hair. You know, I feel like that would actually be quicker than some of these second day routines, and nothing against them. Maybe their hair it just works for them. Wonderful, that's great. That would never work for me. I don't know, like I just don't get it, because I feel like at that point, if I have enough time to do that, I'm just gonna jump in the shower and wet my hair with conditioner and do what I normally would do. To me, a second day curl is when you just don't have the time, and which is usually my situation. So I'm gonna show you what I do for my second day curls when I just wanna look decent. I can't go out like this, like it's a little wild. So all I do, I take any cream-based product. I just literally grab this. There's no rhyme or reason. It's just a cream base. This is Mizani True Textures. Any cream, really, just any cream or gel. But personally, I'm saying cream because for my hair texture, gel will dry my hair out. So I'm gonna go in with a cream, and I literally just I'll do a little more than a dime size. Maybe that's a quarter size. Maybe that's a quarter size, you think? And then I rub it in my hands. And at first I concentrate on all this mess up here. And I kind of just take my fingertips and I kind of just like tame those down first. And then it's rubbed in my hair, and then I literally scoop it up my hair as if I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. And I just get the whole outside layer, and then with the rest of it, I put my fingers under my hair to get like all this. So now it looks kind of like tamed around the edges and the top. And let me tell you, sometimes I can even just get away with doing that depending on how good of a hair day I had the day before. So if I had put like a decent amount of product in and I used a good product the day before, my curls might not look that bad the second day. And I could just get away with doing that, touch up, out the door. But I want more curl texture. You know, like I want my hair to look a little more polished. I just realized I forgot to put my microphone on, so if the beginning half sounded terrible, I apologize. So if you couldn't hear me for some reason, if this turns out bad, all I did was put a cream product in, and I rubbed it in my hands, put it on top, got rid of the frizz on the top, got rid of the frizz here, and pretty much on the whole top layer. And then all I do is take out my wand. Oh, that's hot. I can feel the heat. I almost literally just burnt my whole head. So you get your wand, if you have a wand, and I just turned it off. If you don't have a wand, you can use a small curling iron, a big curling iron, anything similar to this. Now honestly, depending on how much time I have, I might just do some curls here and there, but I'll get a little more into it, and I'm gonna use a clip if you have a little extra time and you just want to get like under here. Just kind of trick everybody to think that your whole hair is styled. So I just want to get like the parts that you can see, and I'll just take like some curls here and there, and I'm just gonna curl up. This is literally all I'm doing. I'm not wetting my hair again. Like the only thing I'm putting in my hair is that little bit of product. And look at that. This is a second day curl. Look how pretty that looks. And I just gotta get some of them. I don't have to do them all. I'm just gonna do some that, the hairs that you could see. Nobody needs to see the hairs underneath. They're not gonna see the hair underneath. Don't worry about it. Just do the ones that people are gonna see. Over here too. These pieces tend to get really straighter on me the next day because when I sleep on it, sometimes I get hot and I'll push my hair up and it just flattens, you know? So look at that. So now I'm just like curling up the pieces that you could see. And there's no need to like, there's no need to get your hair soaking wet again. Like, if you have the time to do that, just jump in the shower. That's what I say. That's just my opinion. See that? And you could do the back too. I'm gonna do a couple more. This is like, I don't even have to do these, but we're just gonna show you. Okay? So you see how pretty that looks? And now we're gonna start with the back layer, and I'll start back here. This is all the way in the back. I'll put that with it. And I'm literally just quickly curling some pieces up. That's it. This is my second day hair routine, and it works for me, and it's quick and it's easy, and sometimes I don't even have to do that many curls, but we'll do some more for the heck of it. So quick, and you can go both ways, either way. Some go this way, some go that way. Change it up. But let's just go through this. Let's see. I feel like lately, like I'm so tired sometimes when I wake up, and I already have in my head, it's not that I woke up late, I'm just like, I'm just gonna do this to my hair today. Because it really does save time. Because I'd rather have that extra 20 minutes of sleep. That's all I really get extra out of it, 20 minutes, but maybe not. Maybe like actually I probably get a good half hour. Half hour is a lot of time. Like, get the pieces that look more frizzy, you know? Don't burn yourself. It's the second time I almost burnt my head. These things come, actually no, I think you could buy the gloves. Did this come with the glove? I don't remember. You probably should use it though if you're prone. I always tell my daughters to use it, but we all know they're not going to use it. See that? See the difference? I could do more in the back though, but like I will literally do this in the back. I'm just showing you now. Let's see. Ouch. I would do more in the back, but you see the difference from both sides? And look how pretty that looks. Look at that one. And just do it until you think like you're done. And that's how I do my second day curls. So I'll finish this side quickly just to show you. Okay, that's it. That took me like under 10 minutes to do. And so there we go. That was a quick and easy second day curl transformation, routine, whatever you want to call it. Okay, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not. And until next time, have a great day.